Well, all right. We're going to do some light bashing FPV style with the DJI FPV system. Now, just cruise along with me. We're going to do some water bashing. Just go through some water real quick. A little later on, we're going to actually do a couple jumps. And this is all FPV. Now, first thing I want to ask you, do you think we can make it through this? This wouldn't be a good video if I didn't already make it through. But it did get pretty deep there. But we made it, as you can see. Let's keep on going. Now, this is my first time here, so we're going to do a little bit of exploring. Just cruise around a little bit. Now, we're going to turn back around here in just a second, right here. Because we don't want to get too far out of range. Now, we do have good range, as you can see. But we don't want to play with our luck. Mimi, how you doing? Let's keep it going. You can see we're near the lakes. Off to our right, we got lakes over there. This is at FDR Park in Philadelphia. Now, one of the cool things about being here, not this actual location, we're going to start. Here go the boys. See, this is Philly FPV. This is the group. This is the guys. We out here. The good thing about this location is it has a skate park, and I am dying to get to the skate park. Just didn't make it there today. So let's do a little bit of jump. This is where we're going to actually start the light bashing at this little dirt mound here. Handles the jumps. Like I said, all this is FPV. Keep it going. That wasn't even a jump. That was just a power. I don't even know what you call it. Power move. Just knock it down. Keep going. Get a little bit of air later. Not much. Mind you, like I said before, this is only on 3S. Maybe next time out I'll do 6S. Let's back up out of here. Get back to doing some jumps. Oh, I just seen a drone. A man is on the sticks on his quad. Climb up. Not bad. Not bad on 3S at all. Man, we got some air that time. Got some good air that time, actually. Alright. Get up out of there, little fellas. Look at what I can do. Kick up some smoke. Up, got some good air. Alright. Sometimes we get some good air out of this. Gotta line up again. Power move. Climbs like a champ. Spin out. This thing takes a beating. I'm having so much fun chilling with the fellas. So let's take her on home. It was a nice run. All I need you to do is give me a good thumbs up. and I need you to like the video. Peace.